so it's really not the worst sounding truck in the world, but it could be a little bit better, and we got a chance to do something with that today because one of the things I need to do to this truck to help it pass its state inspection is make sure it actually has an intact muffler. The one that's down there right now, it's really not in the worst shape ever, but it's got a fair amount of rust damage. It leaks on at least one side, I think both sides going into it, and it's, for all I know, it's the original muffler that came with this truck. So today we're going to be adding some Thrush Glasspacks that I picked up. These are sort of a love-or-hate deal. I've personally always really enjoyed them. I've had them on at least 2 daily driver trucks that I've owned in the past, both with smaller engines than this thing. This has the Ford 370 V8. So, yeah, I guess we might as well get to work on removing what's down there and fitting up the new mufflers. Oh yeah. Oh, that is one ugly muffler. Can you give me like let's try like a 9/16 thingamajigger.
Alright, I know exactly what that is.
Oh, and those are really on there. Oh, yes. Oh, 35-year-old exhaust things come off with minimal effort. I love living in Texas.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it's off. We're gonna lighten the truck up by a lot. Even though we're using 2 individual mufflers, I'm pretty sure combined they weigh less than this does. This is like a good 40 pounds right here. It's mufflerless. Oh, that sounds good.
Take a look.
Yeah, oh yeah. That sounds cool, but even by my standards, that would get old after a while. Alright, let's see if these things will fit on here. Oh, like a glove. Look at that. Alright, that is, that's what we like. I guess really the only thing that's going to take any real amount of work is figuring out the hanger situation. I'm just going to clamp this up real tight, and the other thing is, as you can see, we cut those 2 pieces of pipe down, and we're going to run one between each muffler and each downturn. The reason for that is because we need to have the exhaust come out a certain number of inches behind the cab of the truck for it to pass an inspection here, and this way we'll be covered, because this will put it far enough back. What happens when I try to look cool on camera? Oh, that looks good. That looks good. We like that. So these things are pretty well balanced, and I'm looking at this, and it looks like there's the one hanger that's like right here, which is going to be pretty much perfect for this. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to take this little bar of steel, we're going to rest it on the top of this, and we'll give it some angle cuts like there and there for looks. We'll zap it on the top of these mufflers like there and there. I'll put marks on this so we can take it inside and weld it in the shop. And then attach that to our new muffler hanger, which is going to go, it's going to use the same bolt as the original. We got to cut like approximately 1.5 inches off of this bar. So So I'll be MIG welding this together at about 19 volts or so, just running some 35 thousandths wire and 75-25 mixed gas. I maintain this still weighs less than the original muffler. Let's see if it fits. It's almost perfect. That hanger really couldn't be in a better spot. Yeah, you guys really don't want to be down here welding on stuff if you can help it. I know that might sound like a strange thing for a welder to say, but I mean, look at this pipe. There's like a full 1/8 inch of caked on mud here. There's a little bit of rust. Still solid though, doesn't leak. So we're leaving it. But yeah, you know, there's a lot of really extreme angles in here. There's parts of it you can't even really see, and this is a comparatively very easy exhaust. So this is why I always tell folks, if possible, clamp as much stuff as possible. That was a fair amount of work, everybody. So hopefully this will sound fairly awesome. That's the best one yet. I really like that, YouTube. Alright, so, and on that note, we can conclude the video.